Welcome to King Cole Ducks and today's cooking demo on how to create the perfect duck breast. These simple instructions will result in a tender, succulent duck breast that rivals anything you'll have in your favorite restaurant. So let's get started. Remove the duck breast from the packaging and pat dry with a paper towel. Now take your knife and gently score the skin, being careful not to cut into the breast meat. Season both sides of the breast with salt and pepper to your liking. Next, place the duck breast skin side down in a cold pan. Then set the heat to medium-high. Let the breast cook skin side down for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the breast has reached a nice golden brown and the fat has rendered through the breast into the pan, flip the breast over and relocate this oven pan into your preheated oven. The breast should roast in the oven for approximately 8 to 10 minutes to an internal temperature of 130 to 135 degrees to achieve it being cooked to rare. Take the breast out of the oven and allow it to sit for an additional 5 minutes. This will bring it to medium rare, the level we recommend most. Have your other meal ingredients plated and ready for the duck. Slice the breast thinly and serve immediately for a gourmet meal your friends or family will long remember, and one they'll likely insist you prepare again soon. Visit our website at kingcoleducks.com and make sure to follow us across social media at King Cole Ducks.